In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link table to calendar in Notion 5 minutes. We're going to take a simple table in Notion and view the exact same data on a calendar, so you can plan your work by date and still manage it in a grid. Start by opening Notion, head to the workspace and choose an existing page where your database lives, or create a fresh page if you're starting from scratch. Either option works because the key is that we're working with a Notion database. If you don't already have a table database on the page, type slash, then table view, and select it to create a new table. This is Nian's database in a spreadsheet style layout, which is perfect for capturing titles, statuses, and importantly, dates. If you already have a table, you can use that one. Next, we need to give the database a date property. Click Add Property at the top of the table, then choose Date. This field powers the calendar. Without a date property, Notion won't know which day to place each item. You can rename the property to something like Due or Event Date, and if you prefer, you can include time in the same property. That's optional, but it's helpful if you plan to schedule things down to the hour. Now fill in the date for each row under that New Date column. Click a cell to open the date picker and choose the appropriate day. Each row represents a single item and its date will decide where it appears on the calendar. If an item doesn't have a date, it simply won't show on the calendar, so make sure each relevant row has one. With your dates in place, it's time to create the calendar view. On the same page, type slash, then calendar view, and select it. Confirm by clicking calendar view when prompted. Notion will create a new view of the same database, just displayed as a calendar. You'll immediately see your items placed on their respective days. From here, you can drag items between days to reschedule them. When you move a card from one date to another, Notion updates the date property in your table automatically. You can switch between the table and the calendar at any time using the view switcher at the top of the database, and any edits in one view are reflected in the other. If something seems missing on the calendar, double check that the item has a date set. That's it. You now have a table and a calendar working off the same data, so you can manage details in the table and plan visually on the calendar without duplicating anything.